Okay, today we are going to look at the triangle inequality theory. All right, and the triangle inequality theory is really we're looking at the sides of a triangle. And the size of a triangle is always going to be unique because we can only make one triangle when we're looking at the sides. All right, and what does that mean here? So let's look at a triangle and their sides. So on this triangle here, I've got three different lengths of some pieces of wood. All right, so we've got our long one right here, and I've got two small sides. So when I connect my triangles or my pieces of wood right here, the pieces of wood all beautifully come together to form a triangle. All right. And what makes this, what you need to know is that our largest side right here, which is going to be 8 inches long. So we have an 8 inch side. We have this triangle or this piece of wood right here, which is our green one. And that green one is a 5 inch side. And then we have our red one right here, which is a 4 inch piece of wood here. And with that, what we're saying here is that this could be side A, B, and C of our triangle. And this is just kind of like a mini one that we just drew right here. So this is A, we'll say that this is B and C. So how we know that a triangle, um, how we know that you looking at the size of a triangle, we know that if we have, let's see here, let's write this down. We have an 8 inch right here. B is a 5 inch, and that's a 4 inch. So the two smallest sides of the two sides that we combine together will always have to be bigger than the side that's left out. So here, if we add A plus B together, it has to be greater than C. So if we have 8 plus 5, it needs to be greater than 4. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if this is a true fact that 13 is greater than 4, then this is a triangle, which it is. If we did A plus C and it's greater than B, so if we did A, which is 8, plus C, which is 4, is greater than 5, so is 12 greater than 5? And the answer is yes. So that is going to make this a triangle right now. Then if we look B plus C, if we were to add those sides together and it's greater than A, then it's going to be a triangle. So we have 5 plus 4. If this is greater than 8, then it's going to be a triangle. So is 9 greater than 8? Yes. So this right here is a triangle. Make sure that when you are working through all your triangles for homework and for tests, that you have to go through each one of these to determine if it's a triangle. Now let's look at this other one here. All right. We have a stick right here, and the green one right here is a 4 inch stick. So we have a 4 inch stick. We have a brown one, which is a 3 inch stick. And we have a 2 inch stick. All right. Or let me take a look here. The green is a 5 inch stick. So we have a 5 inch, a 3 inch, and a 2 inch. So when we try to put this together, it's not going to work because when we put this together, when we push them together to try to connect them, it's going to actually collapse. And the reason for that is that if we know that this guy right here is 5 inches, and this guy right here is 3 inches, and this guy right here is 2 inches, 3 plus 2 is 5. And if you do 5 is equal to 5, which means that it's just going to collapse. And that's why this one would not be a triangle. So once again, remember that when we are using the inequality theory, which has to deal with the sides, number one, that's only it's unique because all of these sides stay the same. And as long as when you combine two sides, it's always greater than the third side, then you know it's going to be a triangle.